Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss the journal entries regarding PL appropriation account. In last class, we have explained how to prepare PL appropriation account. Today, from the same questions, we will explain how to show the journal on the questions regarding PL appropriation account. Let's start with the question. Akash and Vijay started partnership business on 1st April 2019 with capitals of rupees 5 lakh and rupees 4 lakh respectively. As per the deed, Akash is entitled to get salary of rupees 10,000 per month and Vijay is entitled to get commission of 5% on net sales of the firm, which is rupees 6 lakh. During the year, both the partners are to receive interest at the rate of 12% per annum on their capitals. Profits are to be distributed equally between the partners. Show journal entries for the distribution of profit, assuming that the firm earned net profits of rupees 3 lakh during the year. So, here net profit is 3 lakh. We have to start with this amount. First, we have to distribute, we have to transfer it from PL account to PL appropriation account. So, it will be coming in credit side of PL appropriation account and journal will be PL account debit to PL appropriation account. Then, you have to distribute salary, commission, interest on capitals, etc. And that will be coming in debit side of PL appropriation account. So for the journal will be PL appropriation account debit to salary to partner, commission to partner, to interest on capital to partner, and at last you have to find the balance, that is divisible profit, and that is to be distributed in ratio which has been given equal, so in equal ratio. So first, to transfer net profit from PL account to PL appropriation account, journal will be PL account debit to PL appropriation account 3 lakh. If the firm suffers loss, then journal will be just reverse. It will be PL appropriation account debit to PL account. Now, to distribute salary, commission, interest on capitals, etc., etc., it will be PL appropriation account debit, but we will not write the amount first. To salary to Akash, 10,000 into 12 months, 1,20,000. Commission to Vijay, 5% of 6 lakh, 30,000. Interest on capital to Akash, 12% of 5 lakh is 60,000, and interest on capital Vijay, 12% of 4 lakh, 48,000. Then we have to add these four figures, 1,20,000 plus 30,000 plus 60,000 plus 48,000, and we'll write in debit side of PL appropriation account debit 2,58,000. Next, to find out the balance, 3 lakh minus 2,58,000 equals to 42,000. That is the divisible profit. Now, as per the question, divisible profit is to be distributed equally. So, to distribute it, journal will be PL appropriation account debit 42,000. To capital account Akash and to capital account Vijay will divide it. So 21,000 each will get. Next, go to next question. Chandan and Dumpy started partnership business on 1st October 2019 with capitals of rupees 10 lakh and 8 lakh respectively. As per the deed, Chandan is entitled to get salary of rupees 12,000 per month. Both the partners are to receive interest at the rate of 12% per annum on their capitals. Dumpy drew rupees 4 lakh on 1st January 2020. As per the deed, interest on drawings is to be charged at the rate of 15% per annum. Profits are to be distributed in the ratio of 3:2 between the partners. Show journal entries assuming that the firm earned net profit of 3 lakh during the year. Accounts end on 31st March. So here net profit 3 lakh. And two things I have to explain now here. First, business starts on 1st October 2019. 1st October 2019. So we have to calculate interest on capital, salaries, etc. for 6 months only. That is from October, November, December, January, March. Second thing, Dumpy withdrew rupees 4 lakh as drawings on 1st January. So 15% on 4 lakh for 3 months he will pay to the firm, or firm will deduct from his capital account. So first journal will be PL account debit to PL appropriation account rupees 3 lakh. Then to distribute salary and interest on capital, journal will be PL appropriation account debit. We will not write the amount here. First, to salary to Chandan account 12,000 into 6, 72,000. Interest on capital Chandan 10 lakh into 12% for 6 months, 60,000. Interest on capital Dumpy 8 lakh into 12% for 6 months, 48,000. Now Dumpy will pay interest on drawings. So firm will get, and that will be coming in the credit side of PL appropriation account. So here journal will be interest on drawings Dumpy account debit 4 lakh into 15% for 3 months, because he has taken loan on 1st January. So January, February, March, 3 months is 15,000 to PL appropriation account 15,000. Then to find out the difference divisible profit, that is 3 lakh plus 15,000 minus 2 lakh 58,000 equals to 57,000. And this 57,000 will be distributed among partners in the ratio of 3:2. So journal will be PL appropriation account debit 57,000 to capital account Chandan 57,000 into 3/5 equals to 34,200. And to capital account Dumpy 57,000 into 2/5 equals to 22,800. Let's go to next question. Akash and Vijay started partnership business on 1st April 2019 with capitals of rupees 5 lakh and 4 lakh respectively, but without agreement. At the end of the year, Akash asked for salary of rupees 10,000 per month and Vijay asked commission of 5% on net sales of firm, which is 6 lakh during the year. Both the partners forced to get interest at the rate of 12% per annum on their capitals. Show the distribution through journal assuming that the firm earned net profits of rupees 3 lakh during the year. In this question, net profit is 3 lakh, no problem, but without agreement. So in this case, firm will not entertain to pay salary to Akash, commission to Vijay, or interest on capital to Akash and Vijay. Simply, the net profit will be the divisible profit and will be distributed among the partners equally as there is no agreement. So, first journal will be PL account debit to PL appropriation account 3 lakh, and then to distribute this 3 lakh between Akash and Vijay equally, journal will be PL appropriation account debit 3 lakh to capital account Akash 3 lakh into 1 by 2, 1 lakh 50,000, and to capital account Vijay 3 lakh into 1 by 2, 1 lakh 50,000. Let's go to next question. A and B are partners. On 31st March 2020, net profit before calculating interest on A's loan and B's loan was rupees 80,000. Both the partners invested rupees 2 lakh as capital. On 1st October 2019, A had given loan of rupees 50,000 to the firm. On same day, B had taken loan of rupees 1 lakh from the firm. Assume there is no agreement between the partners. Show PL appropriation account. Here, net profit 80,000, but before calculating interest on A's loan and B's loan. Remember, because partnership deed is silent or there is no agreement between the partners, so interest on A's loan means A has given loan to the firm. So on A's loan, A will be entitled to receive interest at the rate of 6% per annum. So A will be getting interest of 50,000 for 6 months because on 1st October A had given loan. But B will not get anything or B will not pay anything because B had taken loan of 1 lakh. So if somebody takes loan from the firm, as per partnership deed, if it is mentioned, then we have to collect. Otherwise, we cannot charge or we cannot pay any amount to that particular person. So here only A will be receiving the amount of interest, that is 50,000 into 6% for 6 months. And this will be recorded as charge. It is not allocation. So charge will be coming in PL account only. And you have to find out the net balance, means 80,000 minus the interest part of A. So first you have to calculate interest on loan of A, that is 50,000 into 6% into 6 by 12 equals to 15,000. So net profit after deducting interest on loan will be 80,000 minus 15,000 equals to 65,000. First, we have to transfer net profit to PL account debit side. So for this, journal will be PL account debit to interest on loan A 15,000. Then 80,000 minus 15,000, this 65,000 will be net profit and is to be transferred to PL appropriation account. So for this, journal will be PL account debit to PL appropriation account 65,000. Now this amount will be distributed equally among the partners as there is no agreement. So journal will be PL appropriation account debit 65,000 to A's capital account 65,000 into 1 by 2 32,500 and to B's capital account 65,000 into 1 by 2 equals to 32,500. Okay. I think everybody would have double entry bookkeeping volume 1 of T.S. Grewal. If you don't have, then we can download the ebooks from net. Now from this book I am giving some homework assignment. The part which has been explained till 3 sessions, from that only you have to solve the questions. Solve all the questions from question number 1 to question number 19, that is from page number 2.79 to page number 2.82 of Double Entry Bookkeeping Volume 1 T.S. Grewal.